Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So I went in for shampoo and conditioner and I came out with a bunch of random things. I also have a couple of products from Big Lots, so I'm going to be mentioning those in the beginning of this video. But we have a lot of goodies in front of me from this Dollar Tree trip, so if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and start off with the Big Lots finds. We have a couple of Barbie finds from there. You guys have seen these on my channel before. These are actually from Five Below, but they had them at Big Lots. These are the Barbie scented face mask and they are strawberry scented. They look so cute. Again, I did buy these a couple, maybe it was like last year at Five Below, and these at Big Lots were $1.99. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of those, and the actual like mask itself is pink and it's so cute, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of those. I didn't need this, but I got it. This is a cute little Barbie stationery pouch set. It's so cute. It looks like a little purse, and it comes with a couple of different things in here. I just thought it was so cute. Why not? So this was at $5.49 at Big Lots. And it does give you a list of products that are in here. It comes with a mini journal with 20 sheets, 6 mini markers, 3 sticker sheets, 2 erasers, 2 mini stamps, a mini tape dispenser with 2 rolls of glitter tape. Thought this was adorable, so I went ahead and picked it up. Not beauty related, but girl, it's so cute. As I said, I did go in for shampoo and conditioner, which I did purchase. So let's talk about those first. These are ginormous, but these are the White Rain moisturizing conditioner and shampoo, and this coconut scent, coconut and hibiscus. So I picked up the conditioner and the shampoo because I was in need of those products. So that's like the first thing that I grabbed, and it says it's a new size, so it is huge, girl. It's bigger than my head. I did come across these like shower caps. It comes with a total of 8 in here, and I am going to be dyeing my hair soon, so I do need these to like kind of wrap and heat up my hair, you know, so the product can actually stick. And it comes with a variety of colors, but I just picked it up because I'm going to be dyeing my hair, and these are disposable, so they are just 8 pieces of shower caps. So I went ahead and picked up this. Also, if you are traveling and you don't want to wash your hair, whatever, you can throw one of these in your little pack and not wash your hair. Perfect. Sticking with hair, we have some hair clips. This is going to be a really short haul because again, it was really impromptu vibes. But I did come across these hair clips. It comes with 4 in here. And this is the pink set, but there was like another color. I think it was like a gray kind of moment. So I went ahead and picked up these pink ones, and they look so cute. Here's a look at those. These are perfect whenever I'm like braiding my hair, or whenever I'm gonna straighten my hair, whenever I'm doing makeup videos for you guys. I like to use these little clips. So love the pink. It's so cute. Let's go on to skincare, like body care. I could not remember if I purchased these before. I hope I haven't, but I came across the Spatherapy gummy bear moisturizing body butter in the gummy bear scent, as well as their exfoliating sugar scrub. I could have sworn I've seen these before, but I was like, let me pick them up. I'm not sure if I have them or not. I hope I don't, but there's a look at those 2. They just look really nice, and again, gummy bear is so adorable. So I kind of want to smell the sugar scrub. Okay, I finally got in there. Oh, this smells amazing. Yes. Okay, great. Smells so good. So I'm really glad that I picked these up. So I went ahead and came across these face masks. I have so many face masks, but I thought these were so cute. So these are from Hydrate and Smooth. I don't know who the brand is. I'm pretty sure it's Be Pure. I don't know, but it doesn't say on the packaging. But this is their Body Raves on Ice Hydrate and Smooth face mask, and this is cherry limeade scented, and it says not for consumption, so don't eat it. There's a look at the first one. We also have the Hydrate and Smooth orange creamsicle scented face mask. So cute. And lastly, we have this one here, which is adorable, and this is their Hydrate and Smooth blueberry raspberry scented moisturizing mask or whatever. So these are so cute, especially for summertime. And lastly, this is one of the first products that I came across in the beauty section, and this is so cute. I thought it was like a lotion and a like mini lotion, but it's actually a lip gloss, which is so cute, right? So this is the Crystal Waters Cherry Blossom Scented Hand Cream and Lip Gloss. I thought this was adorable, especially if you want to gift it to someone. And it did come in this pinky set, but it also did come in like a blue set. There's a look at the lotion. This packaging is stunning. And there's a look at the gloss. So pretty. I'm guessing it's just like a clear gloss. Ooh, it has like a slight cherry smell. That's so cute. I love that it came in a cute little set together. So that was it. Those were all the products. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is going to be linked down below. Have you purchased any of these products? Are you excited about the new products to come? What's going on at your Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.